You need to hear this if you're a parrot lover. These birds are full of surprises. Parrots are not just pretty faces. Did you know they can live up to 80 years? That's longer than most of us. And get this, some parrots can learn over 100 words. They could give your grammar teacher a run for their money. Speaking of smart, parrots can also understand shapes and colours. So if you ever lose a puzzle piece, your parrot might just help you find it. Here's a fun fact. Parrots have zygodactyl feet. Sounds fancy, right? It means they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward. Perfect for climbing and holding snacks. And let's not forget their dancing skills. Parrots can boogie to the beat. Next time you play your favourite tune, watch your parrot move. Remember, these feathered friends are full of surprises. Want more amazing nature facts? Follow Emin Explorations.